we visited Te Puia, a Maori cultural center in Rotorua, and it was a fascinating experience. Hope you have watched our previous episode on Te Puia, where we covered a beautiful and massive geyser. At the center, we had the opportunity to experience traditional Maori music and dance, as well as learn about the cultural significance of the Maori New Year. During the visit, we were welcomed to the center in a Maori way, and then we witnessed a traditional Maori war dance called Haka, which is commonly performed by the New Zealand All Black rugby team before their matches. The Haka involves a group of performers, usually men, who chant, stomp their feet and make various facial expressions and body movements. Originally performed as a preparation for battle, the dance is now a beloved symbol of Maori culture and is performed on many occasions to honor the culture and heritage of the Maori people. I had the chance to join the dancers on the stage and learn the Haka, which was a great experience. Dancing Haka with others on the stage and chanting with rhythms was very relaxing and a good way to express freedom. The dance has its roots in Maori culture and history, and each variation of Haka has its own unique choreography and meaning. Overall, our visit to Te Puia was an amazing experience, and we highly recommend it for anyone interested in learning about Maori culture and traditions. Thank you for watching our New Zealand series, and we hope that you enjoy this special episode on Haka dance.
Good afternoon, folks. Welcome now inside our ancestral meeting house, Te Rotorua. You were just brought in true customary style, what we call the Haka Pōhiri, the traditional welcoming of the Māori people. To end all formalities this afternoon, we'd like to invite your Chief Kyle, all the way from Australia. Sir, if you'd like to come on stage and perform our formal greeting with our warriors. Starting to get ready with the line, sir, and just making your way, of course. As mentioned in the induction, folks, the Hongi are together to share in one bond of friendship, making you our visitors, now part of we the people of the land. How about a round of applause for your chief?
Shaking the hands. Ooh, his knees move. Get yourself some, all right? Gentlemen at the back, spread out. There you go, all right. Now when I say jump move, what I want you all to do is to put your hands up onto your hips, spread the feet, shoulder width apart, slight bend in the knees, straight back, letting out a great big hey! 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 All right, let's try that. Hands down. That's enough for my command. Lighting up a little. Jump move! Hey! Zambo! Hey! One more for you, Chief. Zambo! Hey! Much better. Stay right there. Second command, slap the legs, all in time. Bingo Pakia! Very good. Just come on. Stop using the right foot and tie with the hand. Wait, hiya! The other right foot. All right. Play with your dad. Movement. Go. 1, 2. Bring it in. 1, 2. 1. 1, 2. One more. Bring it in for 2. All right. Stop right there. Stick and sit. Throw the arms on the front. Bring them back in. Slap the chest. Out. 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 One more. Throw the arms up to the roof. Last action. Right hand up, make a fist. Bring the left hand over. Hit the right arm twice. Go. 1, 2. Same on the left. 1, 2. Right for 1. 1. Left for 1. Grabbing under. Arms up to the roof. Back onto your hips. Finish off with the great big hey! 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 Repeat after me. Hokada! Hokada!